In the skies above the battlefield, air dominance is everything. One wrong move, and enemy aircraft, cruise missiles, or drones can turn the tide. But India has an answer. An indigenous, powerful, and ever-evolving shield, Akash-2, the next-gen surface-to-air missile system that's redefining air defense. From the deserts of Rajasthan to the mountains of Ladakh, it stands guard, silent but deadly. To understand Akash-2, we must go back to the roots. India's ambition to build a reliable air defense system began in the late 1980s under the Integrated Guided Missile Development Program, IGMDP. It birthed some of India's most iconic missiles, Agni, Prithvi, Trishul, Nag, and Akash. The first version, Akash-1, entered service in the early 2000s. It was revolutionary for its time, capable of engaging enemy aircraft at up to 30 kilometers. But with growing threats, faster aircraft, smarter missiles, and stealth drones, India needed more. Thus was born Akash-2. Let's break down what makes Akash-2 a beast on the battlefield. Range, up to 35 kilometers, extending the reach from its predecessor. Speed, Mach 2.5 plus, more than 3,000 kilometers per hour, fast enough to intercept jets and drones alike. Guidance system, Akash-2 uses a combination of command guidance and active radar homing in its terminal phase. It's smart, reactive, and lethal. Warhead, equipped with a high-explosive fragmentation warhead, capable of disabling even hardened aerial targets. Launcher system. The Akash-2 is fired from mobile launchers, mounted on Tatra trucks for all-terrain operations. Radar network. Tied to the Rajendra radar system, Akash-2 can track 64 targets simultaneously and engage up to 12 at once. So what's really new in Akash-2? Improved propulsion. Akash-2 uses a dual-pulse solid rocket motor, offering longer burn and better maneuverability. Smaller and lighter. The missile is more compact, allowing more missiles per battery, improving saturation capability. Enhanced ECCM. Better electronic countermeasures, ECCM, make it resilient against enemy jamming and spoofing. Weather resilience. Akash-2 performs reliably in high humidity, dust, and freezing temperatures, perfect for Indian terrains. Akash-2 underwent multiple rounds of testing by the Indian Air Force and Army. Its trial performance, direct hits on target drones, intercept accuracy above 90%, zero dependency on imported tech. Akash-2 is now being deployed around key airbases, borders, and strategic installations, forming an invisible shield that few dare to cross. Akash-2 isn't just a missile, it's part of a layered air defense architecture. Inner layer, together with Spider, MR-SAM, and Bharat-8, it forms the middle tier of India's defense. Integration, fully integrated with command and control C2 nodes, Akash-2 can coordinate with radars, satellite data, and other ground units. Mobility advantage. Unlike static systems, Akash-2's mobility ensures rapid redeployment based on threat assessments. In an era where drone warfare is becoming the norm, from Ukraine to Gaza, systems like Akash-2 are invaluable. It also fits into India's Make in India, Make for the World defense export policy. Several countries, like Vietnam, Armenia, and African allies, have expressed interest in buying or co-developing the Akash platform. Akash-2 could soon be India's BrahMos of air defense, widely respected, domestically built, globally exported. India's skies are no longer undefended. With Akash-2, the nation has a missile system that's fast, flexible, and fiercely indigenous. It's not just a weapon, it's a statement. India will guard its airspace with fire. If you found this breakdown insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Defense Intel Hub. More deep dives into India's cutting-edge military tech are coming soon. Until next time, stay alert, stay informed.